Hello everyone, welcome to the gallery slider for WooCommerce plugin demo presentation. Before showing the plugin features, let me tell you why the plugin is important for your online WooCommerce store. With this plugin, you can show the products of your online store in more details from different angles. For instance, you can create awesome gallery slider for each product with powerful features. And also you can create gallery for product variations like color, size, style at the same time. All in all, it gives you access to every features and functionalities you might need in a product gallery slider. So let me show you how you can enhance the visual appearance of your product single page like this using the gallery slider for WooCommerce plugin. So without further any delay, let's get started. Once you have installed and activated the plugin on your WordPress dashboard, you will see a menu called Woo Gallery Slider. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Here you will get all the features required to configure your product gallery. On the General Settings tab, you can see horizontal layout is selected to show your product gallery images, and thumbnail position is set to bottom. So if you see the front end, then you can see this is the product image and these are the thumbnail galleries. So thumbnail galleries are showing horizontally below the product image. Then set the number of thumbnails you want to show in the product gallery. By default, only 4 thumbnails display in the gallery slider. You can set a space between the thumbnails. If I set it to 10 pixel and save it from here and reload the page. So this is the thumbnail space I have set to 10 pixel. You can set a border color around the thumbnails. So this is the border showing around the thumbnails. You can set the thumbnail size from different options. Set a gallery width for large devices in percentage. By default, the value is set to 50%. You can also set gallery width for responsive devices in pixel, percentage and em. Set the gallery bottom gap. By default, it is set to 30 pixel. If you want to change it, then you can change it from here and save the changes, reload the page. So this is the gallery bottom gap set to 30 pixel. Set a source for the gallery images. You can either set to show all the images attached to this product, or you can show only the images uploaded to the product gallery. Check those boxes to include the product featured image to default thumbnail gallery as well as to the variation gallery. You can check both at a time, or you can simply choose one. So now let's move on to the gallery settings. On the gallery settings tab, you can see the slider orientation is set to horizontal and the sliding effect is set to slide. So if I see in the front end, then you will see when I click on the navigation, the next image comes up with a sliding effect. This is how the sliding effect works. Check this box to enable or disable the infinite loop for your thumbnail gallery. You can enable or disable the adaptive height, accessibility and RTL mode for RTL languages. Show or hide the slider navigation from here, and you can configure the navigation icon size, navigation icon color for your thumbnail gallery. So this is the navigation color I have set. You can also show or hide the slider pagination and configure the pagination color. So let's set the active color like this one and save it from here and reload the page. So this is the pagination showing at the bottom section of the product image. You can show or hide the thumbnail navigation and configure the thumbnail navigation icon size, navigation icon color from here. So let's configure a bit and see how it looks. So this is the thumbnail navigation. It is showing like this. You can enable or disable the zoom effect. So when you disable it and save the changes and reload the page, you can see on mouse hover, the image is not zooming. And also you can enable or disable the zoom effect for mobile devices. Image mode is set to normal, and set a product image size from several options. Enable or disable the preloader from here. Now let's move on to the Lightbox settings. On the Lightbox configuration tab, you will get all the Lightbox related properties. So first, you can enable or disable the Lightbox for your product galleries, and the Lightbox sliding effect is set to slide. So if I see in the front end, and when I click on the navigation, you will see the product image change with a sliding effect like this. And the Lightbox icon position is set to top right. So this is the Lightbox icon showing at the top right corner of the product image. You can change the Lightbox icon color from here as well. See, the Lightbox icon color has been changed. Show or hide the Lightbox caption of the product galleries. You can change the Lightbox caption color as well. See, if I change it like this and save the changes, reload the page, you will see on the Lightbox the caption is showing at the bottom of the product image and the color has been changed. An image counter shows at the top left corner of the Lightbox. You can show or hide it from here. So first let's see where the image counter is showing. So this is the image counter I am talking about. So if you change it, you can see 8 out of 8 is showing now. So when you hide it from here and save the changes, reload the page, you can see the image counter is not showing right now. Show or hide the social share and full screen button in the Lightbox. If you show both of them and save the changes and reload the page, you will see a full screen button is showing at the top right corner, and also you can see a social share icon is showing. So when you click on it, you can share your product through Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. You can also share the product through this link. So now let's move on to the advanced settings. There are two options available in the advanced settings tab. Check the box if you want to remove all the gallery slider for WooCommerce plugin data when the plugin is removed. And to change or modify the plugin styling, write the custom CSS here. And after doing all the configurations, you can click on the save button to save your customizations. Or if you want to reset all the settings, then click on the reset all button. So that's all about the gallery slider for WooCommerce plugin. Thanks for watching.